His cat was tragically killed by a car, so naturally he decided to skin it and preserved its hide with chemicals. Next, he built a custom frame with 4 propellers, then stretched the hide over it and positioned it so the weight stayed centered and the propellers could spin. At first, it tilted to one side, but when he adjusted the weight again, the cat finally lifted off the ground. He later did the same with a rat and an ostrich, turning them all into drones.